Yes. Nish.
Where will they see? Excuse me. CIG.
All Manish.
Couple moving is low, very low. We multiply that into working hours.
Start the end speech. So that's all. Thank you.
It is indeed a moment of pride for the Antf that we are assembling here today. It's barely 7 months since you had the launch of this directorate, the inauguration of this directorate by our Honorable Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister in charge home, where I was also present. And since then, Antf has been growing from strength to strength. In terms of space, we are here in a small room. But when it comes to our mission and our aspirations, they are beyond any capacity to be quantified. And we would like to continue to pursue with that mission mode.
Usually in 2023, 24, 25, so there has been increasing trend. So even this year also almost we have arrested close to 100, 95 people so far. But there are two different types of trafficking. One is the consumer base, which they target the youth of Meghalaya. Other one is transit purpose. So transit purpose sometimes because of intense checking and catches, both in Riboy and East Jaintia Hills. So some drug traffickers have chosen alternative routes to supply to other states. So maybe that is why there is reduction in the little bit of seizures. But whichever is they are planning to target to Meghalaya, so they have to take it to the transit route of East Jaintia or Riboy. So those kind of cases have increased, and we have been very successful in those seizures in the recent years. There is also district ANTFs in all the districts, not just in Riboy and East Jaintia Hills, but Riboy and East Jaintia being the entry and exit points, and as a main for the main national highway, so it's more vulnerable for drug transportation. So we are closely working with the district ANTFs of the respective districts. And if you see the seizures in recent times, so we have been focusing especially in entry exit points because the quantity of drug seizures are huge in these both districts because they bring in large quantities. But once they try to pass inside these districts, then they try to divide among different drug peddlers. So we have been close, I'm in touch with these both districts. And recently also that seizure of 4 crores and 40 lakhs in a single day was a joint operation of ATF and the East Jaintia District Police.